If you've been looking for a side hustle that you can do in South Africa that actually makes you a decent income, then you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'll be sharing my top 4 side hustle recommendations that can make you 20,000 Rand or more every single month if you stay consistent. Now, these aren't just any random gigs that I'll be sharing in today's video because I've actually tested all of these side hustles and they work super well. Now, you'll want to stick around because number 2 is actually my favorite side hustle method, and you can use it along with number 4. So together you can use those 2 methods to make even more money. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So the first side hustle idea is freelancing. Now, freelancing is where this entire side hustle thing started for me. So in 2020, during the pandemic, I was looking online for side hustles that I could do from home. And that's when I stumbled upon something called freelance writing. Now, what I started to do is I started to do blog writing, email writing, social media post writing, those kinds of things for companies. Now, freelancing can work for you if you are in any type of creative space. So if you maybe are a graphic designer, if you are a photographer, if you are a web designer, any type of job that falls into those categories means that you'll be able to start freelancing on the side. Now, when I started freelancing, yes, I didn't make 20,000 Rand immediately. It took me a while to build up my clientele. And so eventually I started earning over 20,000 Rand per month. And then some months I earned upwards of 50,000 Rand from freelance writing. So it can really bring in a substantial income if you keep at it consistently. This second side hustle idea is starting and growing a YouTube business. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, this is my favorite way of making money online by far. The reason for that is YouTube opens up an endless amount of possibilities for you. You could literally grow your YouTube business into the millions if you want to. So what I decided to do is I decided to start a YouTube channel based on my passions and something that I'm super skilled at. Now, in my case, as I mentioned, I am a marketer, so I do know a lot about marketing and growing, a YouTube channel, doing blogging, things like that. And so I decided to start a YouTube channel that teaches YouTube. And as a result, I started to attract coaching clients. So my coaching clients pay me around $1,500 per month. So that's around $25,000 a month that I get paid for coaching. Now, of course, I do not get paid this every single month. It's sometimes more, sometimes less. But the point being that you can make a substantial amount with YouTube. Now, on top of coaching, I also created my own digital products that I sell with my YouTube channel. So in my case, I created an ebook and it's called A Guide to Thousands of YouTube Views, which I then started to sell for between $17 and $27. So it depends on whether I'm running a promotion or not. And I managed to make over $580 from that ebook, which is over 10,000 Rand. Now, on top of that, YouTube also pays me for the videos that I create because there is something called the YouTube Partnership Program, which means essentially that you will get paid for the videos you create because businesses want to advertise their products on your videos. And so YouTube pays you a portion of that money. Now, if you're curious and you're interested in starting your own YouTube business, I do have a free YouTube business blueprint that you can download in the description below. And so this blueprint literally shows you the step-by-step process that you can follow to set up your channel and to grow it into an actual business. The third side hustle idea is Etsy. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably already heard about Etsy. Now, the thing with Etsy is it's either a hit or a miss. I have tried Etsy twice now, And both times it actually worked. So the first time around, I tried to sell lead magnet templates and like marketing templates and those kinds of things, and it worked. But I underestimated the amount of work that actually went into keeping your Etsy store updated, making sure that you have all your listings there, making sure that you get traffic to your listings, and so on. And so I decided to, stop that shop and not continue. And then last year, I decided that I wanted to start another Etsy shop, but this one was in a completely different industry. So I decided to sell bookmarks. So it's printable bookmarks that people could literally buy. They could print it and they could cut it out and put it in their books. And so again, that Etsy shop actually did very well. I sold over 100 products with that Etsy shop, and I started to make around 1,000 Rand per month from that Etsy shop. But again, the thing with Etsy is you need to continually upload new listings if you want your store to keep doing well. You also need to do a lot of research on the competition on Etsy because there are millions of other shops, and so you need to be able to create products that can stand out above the other listings. Now, even though I started to make 1,000 Rand per month, and I know that I would have been able to grow it to around 20,000 Rand per month if I had consistently continued with it, I didn't like the fact that I had to post so many listings to keep my store updated, because you need to create new products all the time then. And also, Etsy takes a large portion of your revenue as their fees. So you end up not making that much money per product that you sell. But like I said, it is definitely possible to make 20,000 Rand or more with Etsy if you keep being consistent and you keep posting new listings. And I think Etsy is especially great if you are someone who is creative and you like creating digital or physical products. The fourth side hustle idea is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially when you go ahead, you promote another company's product, and then whenever someone buys that product through your unique link, you get paid a commission for it. Now, the thing with affiliate marketing is it is amazing because you don't have to create any products. You don't have to provide a service after someone buys it. You literally just give them the link, and if they buy, then you get a commission for it. So it's super easy, and low effort from your side. But the thing with affiliate marketing is that you need to do it right. Now, I learned this the hard way because when I first tried my hand at affiliate marketing, that it was before I even started the freelance business. So before 2020, I tried affiliate marketing for the first time ever. And what I did is I found a random weight loss product that I tried to sell using Facebook ads. Now, if you know anything about Facebook ads, you'll know that they are very strict when it comes to weight loss products. And I, of course, didn't know it. And so what ended up happening is they blocked my Facebook profile. So I wasn't able to do any business related things on that profile any longer. They just didn't want to give it back to me. And so I had to delete my entire profile and create a new one. So lesson learned, please don't do that. Instead, if you want to do affiliate marketing, I recommend that you only promote products that you yourself use and love. Not only is that more honest, but you're also going to be able to promote it easier because you actually know the pros and cons of the product. Now, I also recommend that you try to find affiliate products that have a reoccurring payment, so something that people pay for on a monthly basis. So for example, I use an all-in-one marketing platform, and so I pay for that platform every single month. Now, if I promote my all-in-one marketing platform to someone else and they purchase this platform and also use it every single month, then I get paid 60% commission every single month until that person decides to stop using the platform. So let's say, for example, the tool costs $20 per month, which is around 355 Rand, right? Now, in that case, if I get paid 60% of that 355 Rand every single month, then it means I'll be getting 213 Rand monthly until that customer decides to stop using the tool. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but let's imagine for a moment that 100 people decide to use my affiliate link to purchase this all-in-one marketing platform. That means that 100 people are now paying 213 Rand to me every single month, which means that I'll be making 21,000 Rand per month. And so as you can see, it can really grow over time. And the more you promote these products, the more people you can get to sign up through your link. Now, by the way, you can just imagine affiliate marketing works really well if you have a YouTube channel and business, because all the tools that you'll be using in your YouTube business and the tools that you love, you can then go ahead and promote on your actual channel and talk about all the time. And so that way you'll be making money with both of these side hustle streams. Now, I'd love to hear from you in the comments which side hustle is speaking to you most. I'd love to hear your opinion and what you're considering trying. Now, remember to download the free YouTube business blueprint if you are interested in starting your own YouTube business, which I highly recommend because I'm telling you, it is such an amazing side hustle and it can eventually turn into your full-time income, which is amazing. Now, you'll also remember that I mentioned that I make a lot of money with my YouTube channel. And so if you're curious to see exactly how I make that money, I created a video all about it right over here that you can watch next. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.